Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can block or unblock someone on WhatsApp because sometimes anyone can disturb us on the WhatsApp. So in this video, I will show you how you can block on the WhatsApp. So firstly, open the WhatsApp and click on contact which you want to block and you will see three dot on top right. Then click on more options. So in here you will see block options, click on it and then click on block options. So this person will be blocked. So if you unblock this person, then you will see three dot on top right, click on it and you will see setting options and then you will see privacy option, click on it, then scroll down the page and you will see blocked contacts, click on it and click on that contact which you want to unblock. So I want to unblock this person, so click on unblock. So in this way you can block or unblock someone on WhatsApp. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.